Hi guys, this is Zach's Videos. So today YouTube, I'm going to make another video. I made like 6 videos in one day. So how's your day YouTube? So I got to do some shit, so I'm doing some YouTube. You know, I thought I'd make another video for you guys, since you guys deserve it. If you're having a bad day out there, here's a picture of me with a concentrated face. Okay, that was random. Post in the comments if you know why I did that. You don't have to, but that was just weird. Right. So guys, this will be video number 9, 6. Who's counting? Still need some money. Need to get from work. Got to fucking wash cars and everything, man. This is boring. This is good for my age, like £4 a day. It's alright. And I work 4 days a week. 3 days a week. 2 days. Well, I'll work whenever I want. I'm gonna work tomorrow maybe, because today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. In the future, this will be my job, YouTube. So guys, I'm just getting ready for the future. I hope future me don't come back and laugh at this and delete these videos. Not because I write these. This has been fun, and it still is going to be. So guys, how was last week for you guys? Post in the comments. Walking down the street. Okay then guys, so shall we go park? Let's go park. I might his bike now. Not even 6 o'clock yet. And then as well, I've got to go to another 3 houses. What's the cars? They're going to be pissed at me. It's been a bit late. So. I don't know what I'm doing, but if you're having a bad day out there, there's a dog. Hello, doggy. Doggy. Hello. Do you want to be on YouTube, doggy? I know that dog and those people. They're nice. Doggy. Come on. Yay. It's okay. They'll come back out. They'll come back out. They'll be out. Okay, so guys, what's this? I never noticed this on the camera. What is this effect? So I will be making a cutscene soon. So get ready for them. Peace out. If you like, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. Peace out.